Imagine a constant ringing, buzzing, or hissing sound that only you can hear, a persistent presence that can make focusing or relaxing incredibly difficult. Many people experience this, and finding ways to manage it is a real journey. When it comes to managing that persistent sound, wearable tinnitus sound generators offer a great solution. These small, discreet devices are designed to be worn on or in the ear, and they deliver a gentle sound that helps mask or habituate the brain to the tinnitus, making it less noticeable and bothersome. The core mechanism behind these devices is sound therapy, which aims to change how your brain reacts to tinnitus. Instead of focusing solely on the internal noise, your brain is given an external sound to process. This can be anything from white noise or nature sounds to customized tones, encouraging a process called habituation, where your brain learns to filter out or ignore the tinnitus signal over time. There are primarily 3 types of wearable sound generators, each with unique features. First, you have dedicated tinnitus maskers, which are small devices worn like hearing aids that produce broadband noise to cover up the tinnitus sound. Then, there are hearing aids with built-in sound generators, which not only amplify external sounds if you have hearing loss but also include programs for sound therapy. Finally, some ear-level devices combine sound therapy with notched music or other specialized signals to target specific tinnitus frequencies. A key insight from audiology research is that personalized sound therapy is often more effective. This involves a hearing healthcare professional customizing the type, volume, and spectral characteristics of the sound to best suit your unique tinnitus profile and hearing thresholds. This tailored approach goes beyond simple masking, aiming to retrain your auditory system for long-term relief. By understanding the various types of wearable sound generators available, you can better explore your options for managing tinnitus effectively. These devices offer a practical, non-invasive way to integrate sound therapy into your daily life, helping to reduce the perceived loudness and intrusiveness of tinnitus so you can focus more on the sounds you want to hear.